Here's the new JL Jeep, and this one's pretty slick. It's got the painted hard top, but we are now selling our slide hoist, which attaches to the drip rail system of the hard top. So I'm gonna do an install and I'm gonna show you what we have to work with, but we are gonna be mounting it in the ceiling here, and I will just take some video and bring you along the way as we do that. Okay, this is the installation kit. This kit replaces you having to go to the store, Home Depot typically, and buying a 2x6. So you can see the oval hole is cut out 24s on center or 16 on center. So depending on what your ceiling joists are, this one is 16 on center. This is pre-cut to accommodate both 16 on center or 24 on center, and they're oval in case the studding is just framed a little off square where you have about an inch in adjustment left to right. So this installation kit replaces going and purchasing a 2x6, and it also replaces the plate that comes with the power unit. So this power unit comes with a mounting plate. This mounting plate would mount to the 2x6 to crib your joists. And this is a replacement mounting plate and a replacement for the 2x6. So, and it's low profile, nice and tight to the ceiling, and there we go. Okay, so we've got some built-in shelving, and then we've got a structural support beam in the garage, but we've managed to get the hard top right between the two. We've got it right between the shelf. We've got about 6 inches and another 6 to 8 inches up front, but that's plenty of room. That's all we need. It goes up and down like butter. We can raise and lower it to the floor. And we've also got, again, the installation kit. This installation kit replaces the 2x6 needed to crib your ceiling joists. So these are designed to either mount to 24 or 16-inch centers. And you can see we've used this one on 16-inch centers. We've got the two big black 3/8 lags attaching, and then on the outside ovals, those are your 24-inch centers. And then we've got multiple alignment square cutouts to align your pulley directly in line with the power unit. So anyways, I hope that makes sense. Installation kit looks really good. Top goes up and down really, really well. We're floating maybe 6 inches off the garage floor right now. This new Lang power hoist with the strap goes up really, really smooth. We've got the foam safety stop that engages the hard top to the power unit. So you take it up to the ceiling until it automatically engages the stop. It stops there automatically. This is convenient to throw our little remote right on this shelf, and the top stores in the ceiling. Again, thanks for watching. Lang Slide Hoist-A-Top, Jeep JL.